The last part of any project is usually applying a finish. And if you can make that process go faster with less hassle, even better. Well, Dan Martin of Galena, Ohio, ran into that on a recent project. He was finishing a set of shelves. He didn't want to have to wait after finishing one side for it to dry before moving on to the other side. To speed up the process, he created finishing standoffs, and they work great. Now let me show you how each one is made. Now each one just takes some scrap plywood. It starts out with a wide strip that's the support piece, and then a narrow center piece is glued in place. Now there's a couple screw holes in here so you can attach it to the ends of the shelf. Now how you position it is key. The best way to do that is a pair of spacers. Set the spacers down and then set the shelf in place. That positions each shelf so that when the support comes in, this narrow center strip is centered on the thickness of the shelf so it doesn't go above or below the top edge, which means you'll be able to make finishing easier, and I'll show you how that works once I attach them. Screw those in place. One more screw on this side. And I'll just flip it around and attach the other support. Now you can remove the spacers. Now once you start finishing, you can see how this works. I can work right up to the edge because there's no plywood to interfere. So I'll just finish all across the workpiece. Once you get one face done, you can easily grab the supports, flip the shelf over, and you're ready to continue finishing. You can easily work along the front edge here because it's raised up, and then finish the rest of the shelf. And once you're done applying the finish, set it aside to dry.